and open.
Whoa! It's like an old phone thing.
Golden pool.
It's one of those. Can I call my mom?
It's a telegraph.
Yeah,
What?
telegraph.
Yeah.
No.
It's an antique phone. It's an ancient phone.
Why is it gold?
I can plug it into
How come
our cell phones are not gold like
That's
that?
so cool.
It does not be playing.
All right. How do you use this thing?
Dial the number on there.
How?
By
Like that.
spinning it and then
I'll call Miss O'Shani.
You don't know.
you don't even know her number.
I don't care.
And then you go like, hello?
Miss O'Shani's phone.
doing this.
They're the phones that I've seen in
Can I try
the
it now?
shows where they walk around like this until the wire runs out.
Yeah, they do that.
Can we actually plug it in and call people? Let's call my mom. Those prank calls.
I'm like kind of confused. Like, how do you know like whenever you're doing the numbers? Like, it just goes like all over the place.
No, you have to go like this.
So I think you just push it in and then go around. And then like, look, 2, and then 3, and then 9.
Can I go like? Wait. Then you let it go.
I know, but how do I get to 2?
I don't know.
2.
No.
Wait. It's supposed to make a clicking noise, but it won't.
Click. 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 Click.
Try now.
Click.
There we go. All right, it works. How can we put? Oh, I saw one around the classroom somewhere. Where did it go? Can we?
All right. How do you think we get this to work?
You connect this thing
To the Wi-Fi box.
No, to the landline. To the landline.
To the landline. The one on the wall.
You go like
Connect
this.
You
No,
do that.
like if you want 1. Okay, let's start with 1. And then there. And then
Click on it.
2, 3,
let it. No, you let it spin like that. I think.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
3.
How would you text on here?
Oh, I know. You go on the letters and keep. Wait, which one is the?
Wait, but you can't text because you can't see the letters that you type. If you're saying hello, I don't. You can't see. Yeah, you
No,
can leave a
I wish you could do
voicemail,
this.
but, like-
Just like
Just say hello.
say hello. No, you can't. Yeah. Okay. So where the numbers are, there's letters. There's 3 letters. So you have to like spin it. Yeah, a different way until it gets. I think it's set. You hold it on your ear, then you spin it, and then it will say the letter A, and then you keep on doing it, and you spell whatever you want, and then it'll tell the sentence.
So you know how like every single number has like A, B, C under it?
Correct.
Well, like 10, like this is one. It says A, B, C, and like you want to type A, B, C. You would spin it on 1, and then you do A, and then you spin it twice, then B, and then you spin it 3 times, and then C. A, B, C.
Okay. How do you read the text messages?
Oh, exactly.
Voicemail. So you know how like that long cord that Josh is stepping on?
Uh-huh.
I didn't know I was stepping on it. I'm so sorry. Like, you know how like those giant poles like really long? Like they would like travel through that, and then you pick up the phone, and then it would say the text.
I think you have to plug it in into a telegraph, and then it show you like the written or like a television.
Okay.
Well, I might be wrong, but on the spinny thing it says like operator. So maybe like the operator will like ask you if you want to like hear your text message or like see what text message you got. I don't know.
She got it probably. I have a question. I am so confused. How do you backspace? Backspace your mistakes?
I don't think
I have a question. If you said, "Oh, hi Victoria," but then you spelled it wrong, how would you do that?
Why couldn't you just go like this? Say hello with message. Oh, that would be cool.
So
Say hello.
maybe you just can't text.
You have to send
Maybe
them
you
the
have to
mistake.
call the operator, and then they'll say it to the person you're trying to text, but it would just be like long distance if you can't call them normal.
Where do I watch videos?
You don't.
You don't.
That was
you don't.
old times. You don't watch stuff.
If they made a video, it would be like, oh, there's like a radio button probably.
No, there's not.
Oh my god. No, you could go to operator and listen to TV. You could, like, TV. Like,
It's an old phone. It can't do that.
All right, guess what?
What?
There was no texting back then.
I knew it. That's right.
I knew it. You can't text on the phone. No, you didn't.
Texting didn't come out until like no, more like I was in high school, so it was probably like 2000.
And two.
No.
Yeah, it's only been around for like 17 years.
Mr. Shandy.
You all have never lived in a world without texting.
Shandy, what are the letters?
So okay, you had me stumped for a second. So sometimes when you call like a 1-800 number, you would call like 1-800 pizza. Then you would have
Gary.
1-800 Ask Gary. All right. So if you were to call 1-800 Ask Gary, you dial 1-800, and then A would be 2. Then you have to find the S, which is right here, and spin it. Oh, it's hard to do this when I'm holding this. A S, and then you'd find the K, and then you would have to do it like that.
Right now I'm calling someone.
This is free promotions.
I want a job. Give me a job. Or 180.